Texas 2K shit. It's 8:10 in the morning, guys. The CTSV rolling too. Oh no! What is this? Oh.
Kilometers an hour.
Oh yeah, that's it. Luck is on our side. We're back in Beverly Hills, rolling. We got the SA Aperta. Look at the plate. It says Aperta.
And check that out. It's on Montana plates, as you do.
As you do. Wow. That's a hell of a spot.
It is a spot.
All right, the sun is coming out. We are out of dreadful Geneva. Weather's looking up. We got the SA Aperta being unloaded right there. Mind you, check out the plate. Very appropriate. Montana Aperta. Let's get the red diffuser. Let's put some time in this sucker here. Hold on. Okay, I put 8 minutes. We're in business here. Oh, dude, I think they just scraped it. Oh, look, there's an Aventador right there. This is so much better than Geneva. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
No one's gonna let this guy through, man. Are these guys kidding me? Oh no. Oh.
That one? That
one? Woo. Don't scrape, bro. Oh, that wasn't a scrape. It's just the plastic cup on the ground. Here we are, guys. The brand new Pagani Beverly Hills dealership. Let's take a quick gander inside of here. We got a standard Huracan Spider, but it's about time Beverly Hills finally got their own boutique hypercar store. So let's take a look, guys. They're switching out the old wheels for a brand new set here. Kind of spruce up the old Wire here. Got the Greg's BC and the Wire Roadster behind me, and Arnold Schwarzenegger's Veyron. There it is, guys. The outdated original OEM Pagani wheels. Brand new. Wire Roadster looks so much nicer than the coupe. I got something to show you guys in a quick second. Here's the rear of the Cinque Spec Wire Roadster. Check out the BC right here. I want to know what's going on here. Got the matte green carbon, but what's that? It's a hippopotamus. It's probably one of the nicest spec BCs I've seen. It's got the matte green carbon right here. You can sort of see in the sunlight, and of course the standard green carbon right over there with the orange accents all over the car. They just started up the Wire right there, but check out the green carbon. 10 out of 10. Probably the best spec BC known to mankind, baby. Arnold Schwarzenegger's Veyron. Rolling right here, guys. The Schwarzenegger, the Governator himself. We saw him drive this on Sunset Boulevard a couple months ago. No, probably like a half a year ago. So he's rocking it, cigar in his mouth. Playing like musical chairs with all these hypercars here. I've never seen that, unless it's, I don't know.
Is it a fake?
I don't know. It's tough. I don't know. What do you guys think? Fake or real? The irony, guys. Here we go. Got the plate, the V6 F-Type, and an actual V6 F-Type. Not an S either. Ooh. It might be a rainy weekend, but we got a couple cars here. We got the purple M6 MBS 17. This guy's been around the block. Got the matte black 4x4. Got a Jeep Wrangler here. Stratman's in town. Jeep Nation is coming out in full effect. Of course, we got the Bugatti Chiron right over there. We got Max Shawstack, the world's greatest canyon carver. Check out the Chiron, guys. This is probably the nicest one I've ever seen. What a spec. It's got the blue accents, brake calipers right there. Oh yeah, and the interior. Wait till you guys see the dash on the passenger side. Check out this interior, guys. There it is, the Sheik himself, emblazoned. So much for resale value, guys. No fucks given. Every Chiron owner has a duty to spec the cars accordingly, some of them are failing in that respect. Look at the blue accents on the mirrors. This thing is a beast. Check it out. Oh yeah. Anyways, we gotta go. Leaps are to be had. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? The 90210 BHPD. Is that an under? No,
it's just a charge.
Fuck boy. And the P1 still there at Mr. Chow's. Let's move over here. See what we got. What is that fucking noise? Oh my god. The car's gonna like blow up. Alright, so we found KHK's Centenario. We got a shit ton of cops here. There's 2 cruisers. We got an undercover.
There's like 3 more down.
And there's 3 more over there. There's like a whole gaggle of cops over there. What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no. What the hell is...
The plate's registered 2015 on KHK.
Oh really?
Plate's not valid.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Check this out. They're literally... Oh, I'm gonna flip on night mode. You see them. They're all... Hashtag save the hair.
They're showing the that sticker.
Oh, dude, really, guys? Oh man, dude. Literally the worst luck because he pulled over on his own, and he was sorting some sort of issue out, and then the cops were trying to get through, and they just pulled.
She saw the tag.
Yeah, she saw the tag, and that was that, man. That's history right there. And we still got a bunch of, hold on, night mode. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, you look at that. You can see there's like 10 of them right there in the corner. Might be all good in the hood, I don't know. What a night. I might actually have to go back and put more money in the meter. I only anticipated being here for, oh, wait, hold on. The car's moving. Scratch that. Tonight is such a trip, guys. Now the cops are just getting some good old Earth Cafe. Oh. And it's gone. Woo. What a night. Now I gotta go check my meters, probably expired or something. Don't want a ticket.